Hi and welcome to the short tutorial. In this video I will show you how to search on the TikTok. So how you can search on the TikTok like music, like effect or any of your friend on the TikTok. So watch this video till the end and you have to follow the same procedure, and if this video really helps you out, do subscribe to my channel. So first of all you have to open your TikTok, log into your account. Once you will do it, on the right top you will see a search icon. So simply you have to click on it, and right here you can search for any of your friend or any of the celebrity or any effect, any hashtag. You can simply search from here. Write anything, like I search for green screen effect, and once you will do it, you can see different videos related to green screen effect appear here. Also you will see a different effects, and once I will click on the users, it will show me a user with the green screen effect name, so you can easily follow from here. Also you can simply search our videos from here. You can also search for the sounds from here, and one more thing, hashtag you can also search from here. So this is the way. Hope this video will helpful for you. If you have any question, you can ask me in the comment section, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you.